Diksha here. So in this video we will see how to make this berry knot. Okay, so take four cords. I've already made a square knot here. So leave a finger gap, okay, and then make a square knot. Leave a little gap like this, a finger gap, okay, and make 3 square knots. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and take the middle two cords. And put it through this space in between, not the side space, in between the two cords. That left side there should be 2 cord, right side there should be 2 cord. Just insert it through that space and pull it through. Pull it like this and pull it so that it rolls. The 3 square knots rolls. Okay, see, like this. And take the other two the cords on the either ends and make a square knot. Just adjust it to form nice small flower. Make a square knot. So this is a berry knot.